Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to fix issue in Instagram notes. So guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it easily. So don't waste your time and let's get start the video. First we tap on Instagram and go to the chat, and you can see Instagram notes is not available in my chat. So what I do, let's see. First we go to profile and tap on three lines of top corner and tap on setting and tap on account and scroll down and tap on switch to profile account, and yeah, continue, tap on continue and select your describe. I'm select blogger and tap on next, again next, again continue and tap on continue, and you can say leave a note showing in my Instagram chat. So guys, this is very simple process. I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So please guys, please subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment in below. Bye.